friends, welcome back to my channel. I have this water heater jug. It is not heating up. Let's troubleshoot what is the problem. If you don't have good practical experience in electrical circuits, never try to open it, never try to repair because it have live voltage. Let's start. Set multimeter to ohms. Connect between both input leads. It is open. It is placed on the base. Turn on this thermostat switch. It is not giving input resistance. That means there is something wrong in the circuit. Let's check it. Set multimeter to continuity. Connect one lead to input terminal, one input pin, and connect to one ring. It is giving continuity. Connect to second pin and second ring here. It is giving continuity. Connect to the earthing point and center pin. That means these three wires, cable, base connector, everything is good. The problem in this jug. Here are three screws. Open it. Set multimeter to resistance. Connect to the both terminals of heating element. It is 38 ohms. These points are for thermostat switch. Verify the thermostat switch. Set multimeter to continuity. Connect one lead here, second test lead here. That means thermostat switch is good. If it is not giving continuity here, at that time we can open this handle from these screws and we need to replace thermostat switch. But this time thermostat switch is good. Check the base connector. اهلا وسهلا. هاي مشكلة هون. شوف هون هاي قاعدة فيها فصل هون.
القاعدة الخارجية؟
أيوة هذا هو. بدي أغيرها. يعني هون ما يعطيك كونتينيوتي. هون وهون. شفت كيف؟ من هون لقدام كويس. من هون لورا هاي مشكلة.
يعني ما فيش أمل منه؟
لا بدي أغيرها. عندي هاي قاعدة جديدة.
تيجي عليها إن شاء الله.
طبعا نفس الشيء تقريبا.
إن شاء الله. الله يعطيك العافية.
الله يعافيك أخوي.
الله يسلمك.
Now we can see this terminal is giving continuity here, but it is not giving continuity with this plate. It must be connected with this one, and this side this ring is giving continuity here. It have bad joints, but this one is not giving continuity, so we need to open it, we need to inspect it, and we need to replace it. There is small pin here. Press it and remove it. We can see there is gap between these contacts. It is due to overheat. I have new one. I can replace it, This is what with one safety, and it have two safeties. First I will inspect it. If we can fix it, that's good. Otherwise I will replace it. It have continuity until here, but it is not giving continuity with this one. So that means this contact is overheated. From here, we have this spark sign, but the contact is looking good. We need to clean it. Same situation is in this side, so we need to clean it, and we will check it. If it is working, then no need to replace. I will use this 0 grade emery sheet. Now I am removing the sparking sign using this fine grade emery sheet. Now the contacts are good. Same here. It's good. So now it is working good. We can use it. Its thermostat safety is working good. No need to replace it. .732 Axilite nut driver. Now I will pack it up and we will test it. Resistance 38 ohms. That means it's good now. Now I will fill water. Yes, now it is turned on. When the water will boil, it must trip off this thermal switch. Now it is stripped off. That's good. That means this water boiler is now perfect. It is working normally. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching.